Hello, good day. My name is Lenep Montecalvo and I'm excited to introduce myself through this short video resume. I am a motivated and responsible individual who is eager to learn and grow both personally and professionally. I may still be gaining experience, but I make up for it with a strong work ethic, a positive attitude, and willingness to improve every day. I can work well with others and I value teamwork, respect, and clear communication. I am also capable of working independently and managing my time effectively when given a task. I make sure to do it with dedication and attention to details. Some of my strengths include being adaptable, reliable, and open to feedback. I believe that challenges are opportunities to learn, and I am not afraid to step out my comfort zone to gain new skills and experience. I am currently looking for an opportunity where I can contribute my skills, learn from professional and growth within the organization. I am confident that with proper training and guidance, I can be a valuable addition to your team. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume.